Okay guys, so I'm going to do a quick oil change on the Honda Grom. Looks like I'm at a total of 183 miles on this thing. Recommended was 600 miles, but I want to make sure there's no metal particles floating around in my oil while I break her in. So I'm just going to use conventional 10 weight 40 for motorcycles, and at about 600 more miles I'm going to switch over to synthetic. So you need a 17mm socket, drain pan helps, fresh oil, and a funnel. So what you want to do is you want to loosen up this 17mm bolt. That's the oil plug bolt, and we'll proceed there. So it's pretty easy to break the static friction there on that bolt. So now it's just a matter of hand loosening. Really helps to have a pair of latex or nitrile gloves to help with the mess. So just drop that bolt and let this thing drain. Let's take a look at the color there. It's starting to get pretty dark. Nothing you won't expect. So I'll let that drain. I will pull this plug here. Let it drain a little bit easier. And then this is also the refill location. Make sure you stand the bike upright too to drain a little bit more of that oil out. If you're just on your kickstand, you might have some hiding in a little corner. Okay, I let that drain for about 2 minutes. I'm not going to get too crazy since I'll be changing it again to full synthetic at 600, or actually about 750 I'll go for. So just crank that down by hand and then give it a good couple turns with the socket. Sure not to knock your bike over. It's good to me. So I'm going to install my funnel here. I'll probably have to hold it in place while I load one quart in. Clean up the cap area and reinsert my dipstick slash cover. So I'll probably end up running my engine for a couple minutes and then rechecking the level, but from the forums, hondagrom.net, 1 quart seems to be the magic number, so I'll go with that. And I'm going to reconfirm by loading my old oil into a liter bottle to just confirm how much oil came out. There was probably a little motor oil residue in here, so that might account for some of the darkness in this oil as well. Okay guys, that's a Honda Grom oil change. Thanks for watching.